How's it going? My name is Philip Toussaint here with Nomads Solutions, and today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly install Facebook Pixel for your website in order for you to be able to retarget on Facebook ads. So let's jump right into it, but right before we do, please like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on digital marketing strategies. So what you're going to do is come onto your Facebook, and you're going to hit this drop-down menu, and you're going to hit Manage Ads. From there, you're going to be brought to this portal and you're going to choose the ad account. And there should be only one if you have a new Facebook account or if you haven't used ads before. And you're going to want to click on the one that's for you. If you have multiple, you want to choose the right one. From there, you're going to be able to access the different ad accounts or the ad account that's set up under your name. And in this case, I chose this one because we haven't set up the pixel yet. Just to give you a quick example. And what we want to do is it's going to say create a Facebook pixel, and you're going to want to hit the green button that's going to appear that says create. In this case, we partially already set it up. So we're going to view setup instructions. And there's 3 different ways that you can set up the pixel. If you have a WordPress or a Shopify or Squarespace, Wix, any of those kind of platforms, you can choose to do it through a partner integration since it's connected to those. And it's as easy as possible with that. If you want to manually set it up and you already understand coding and you want to just do it yourself, you can just hit manual add pixel. Or if you have a developer that's setting up the website for you, you can email the instructions directly to them and you can type in their email. So that way this is all the information, the pixel codes, the tracking codes, just everything is sent to them. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to hit partner integration because more likely you're going to have a website already that's maybe built through like WordPress or Shopify, and you want to make sure that you're just going to quickly integrate the codes. So let's say that you're a service-based business and you're looking to connect your WordPress. So what we're going to do is go through these steps in order to make sure that it's downloaded. So we want to download the plugin, and it's going to appear right here. From there, we want to continue. And it shows you instructions to go into your WordPress dashboard. So you want to log into your WordPress dashboard and you want to hit plugins. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we have a WordPress dashboard here for one of our clients. We hit plugins and then you have all these options. It says add new. So that's what we want to do. We want to hit add new. You want to hit upload plugin. And from there, you're going to upload, choose the file that you were able to download, which is going to be right here. You want to hit that, hit open, and you'll hit install now. Now we already have it installed, so we're going to go back to install plugins. And from there, once you download it and upload it into your WordPress, it's going to appear right here. It says official Facebook pixel. So you want to hit settings. And then right here, it's going to bring you to this. So then you could just quickly put in the pixel ID, which if you go back, you'll see right here. So you just want to click to copy that, paste it right here, and that's it. You're all set. From there, you're going to have the pixel installed. So it's going to keep track of all the metrics going on, the activities in your website, the pages people are clicking on, engagement rate, all that kind of stuff. And you'll be able to use the pixel in order to retarget people that come across your website on Facebook. So that way you can set up Facebook ads and retarget people through there. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave us a comment below. And I look forward to us connecting further. Thanks so much. Bye now.